Hi everyone, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and in my previous videos I showed you how you can create your account and set up and configure your payment gateways and other stuff. So this is the way you can register. You can just sign in if you have already registered, otherwise you will go via my link. I already provided you in description the links. So click on this link, you go here, you will get some benefit like $5 for free, or I told you in my previous video how will you get Canva and bonuses. So this is the way you can click here and then join. So once you click here, you just provide your username, your email and password confirm and continue. That's it. So once your account is approved and created, you just go sign in, and then the same way you provide your username and password. Select this option and then next, and verify. Once it is green check, then sign in. Once you are signed in, so you are going to see your services. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with me. I'm a seller to level 2 seller, so I will put my services in that way that if you refer my services to other users, you are going to get 25%. So I'm going to set it now for you. Just have a look, and I will also put in job description or the video description that you can have a look. So these are my services. I'm going to show you one by one, and this is my service. I'm going to add, edit, and then I will go straight away to pricing. Here I will show you, this is your commission. If you refer this gig, you are going to get 20% or 25%. So if I sell this gig, which is £5 or $5, so you're going to get off 25% straight away into your account. No need to wait of me to send you this money into your account. No need to wait to ask me. It will be automatically. So commission, you are going to get 25% if you send someone to my gig. So make money with me. So I'm going to continue, and I'm going to review now and save changes. So now you will be asking how I will know which gig I'm referring. So this is a preview. So this is the gig you are going to promote or send to your customers and get 25% of this earning. So this is the first gig I did front of you. Now I'm going to do the next one, this one. So I'm going to add it. It is 25 and on sale price it is 15. So I give you commission of, if you send customers to it, you will get 25%, and then continue. And I just update all my gigs just for you guys to make money with me. So this is the second one done. Now we are going again for the third one. Click on it, add it, pricing, go down, commission, you will get 25% commission. Next, I'm going to review, save changes, So if it is $20, you are going to get 25% of this, so $5 you will go in your account. So you will see $5 in your account. So next one is, we have done 3. Now I'm going to do this one. All gigs I'm doing just that you can also make money with me, because this is the way we can help each other. You are helping me, I'm going to help you, that you can also make money online. So now I'm going to review and save changes. The reason why I'm showing you this, because you will see that I'm doing front of you. Whatever I will earn, you will also make money, and you can also earn your hard working percentage or commission. So continue and review and changes. Everybody shows that how they made money, but nobody shows how you can make money with them. But I'm here to help you out, as well as you are helping me. So you give me order, you get 25% of each of the gig. So each order you are going to get 25%. Not only the one order, every order you will get 25%. If you send 5 orders 5 times, you are going to get 25%. So I'm putting everything for you, and let's get started. Let's make money. So 25% is yours, and continue. Now I'm going to continue, review, changes. It's done. The next one is plugins. Even though if I'll be selling plugins, you can make money. This is commission, your 25%. Continue, and I'm reviewing and save. So now again you will go back, and then this one plugin is done. Now this one, this gig is about automation or auto blogs, which is $55. You're going to get commission as well, 25%. Continue and review changes. So I'll put the links in description. The link will be for the whole account, this one, that you will come here and see which gig you want to promote and want to make commission. So this is the way we can make money together. Affiliate commission, you get 25%. Continue. So review, and I'm make changes. I'm very long time with them, so I'm just doing quickly. Maybe if you will be doing the same, you will need some time to come here and do these stuff so quickly, but just to show you that you can also make money with me. So I'm trying my best to give you a helping hand. This is done, and now the couple of ones, they are left, but I'm showing you to follow and see that I'm an honest person. I'll not be going to do anything hanky-panky or saying later that, oh, I didn't get the order, or your commission will be coming soon, or this and that. No, straight away you will get your commission. So we have done this one. Now we are going to do this. Add it. I'm going to add it price and commission. Here you get 25% as well. It is all done. Save changes. So all are almost successfully changed and completed for you to start making money. Now it's up to you. How do you convey your clients or customers or buyers to come on this gig and get benefit of yourself and to them as well, because my gigs are very cheap and I'm happy to help everyone. See the prices? You won't get these prices anywhere else. If you match the price, I will give you more discount, beating that prices. So discuss with me, get in touch, make money together. So I think I have covered in this video how we can make money together. And if you have any question, you can come on comment section or email address. In my previous video I showed you my email address. I show you once again my email address. You can come here and then contact me via email. If you don't know my email address, this is my email address, as you can see. So just contact me if you have any question. But anyways, you are going to get commission straight away via SEOClerks, because SEOClerks offers, if someone is going to offer promote your gigs or your services, that person is going to get, if you are setting commission. So I set it up commission 25% front of you, so 25% you are going straight away into your account. So you have to have your own account first, as I showed you how you can create your own account in my previous videos. Just create an account, and if you don't know or you don't have skills, like I said, a skill set, this is a skill set. If you don't have, no need to worry about. People will come to you and you will send them my link that okay, this is our partner company, you can just go and get the services from there. You can also, if you want to show your account with the gigs, you can copy my gigs. If you want to, you can copy my gigs and information categories. So we will be a team, so it looks like that we are working together. It will not be look like that you are unable to provide services, because the services will be same. No need to provide on YouTube this kind of information, because you are not going to get any commission if via YouTube or Facebook or any social media. Just try to get customers directly into your account and then send them to me, and then I will handle with that. I hope you like this video. Help each other, send more customers, more people, more friends and family, that if they want to join and they want to do the same thing and this is the way they want to make money, let them also make money. Thank you very much. If you have any question, the comment section is there. I will be coming back again with a new video. So thank you very much for your assistance. Thank you very much for your watching this video, sharing, and yes, this is what I will be saying. So make money like I made. You can also make 1,800 or more than that by just having commissions. Have a great day. Bye bye.